Hello guys, welcome back. We have another unboxing video. We have two items, a wastegate and a blow-up valve made by Tial Sport. I ordered them on the website Food Race. I will leave the link below so you can check them out. So we're going to start with the blow-up valve. This is a Tial Sport Q 50mm blow-up valve with 10 psi spring. This one is purple. Well packaged, nothing is moving in the inside. Let's open it up and see what we got. First thing you see when you open the box, they send you a receipt of the purchase. They also send you a spring pressure chart, a foam to protect the parts, and there is a blow-up valve. It is purple with silver V-band. Here we go. And here it is, the V-band well flange with a high pressure O-ring, which connects to the back like that. Really nice connection. And the clamp is in the box. So we have that. And we have the clamp. Nice. It also brings the air fitting for the front of the blow valve. Let me see if there's anything else in here. So that's all that's in the box. Let's put it to the side and open up the wastegate. And on to the wastegate. Oh, that's a little bit heavier. Let's open it up. Here we go. So we have some instructions in here. I like how they package the parts. Everything's really nice. So there it is. We have our wastegate. Right here in the middle is purple. Heavy. Tile. V-band, V-band. Tie right here. It's pretty cool. It's really heavy. That was our wastegate. Also brings the inlet and outlet, V-band clamp and flanges. Yeah, everything's built in. Nothing in here. Here's the water fittings. It brings right here and then clamps. And then behind that, we have two air fittings. What else we got? On the other side, we have actuator springs. See if I can take them out. About to be messy. Here it is. Are the springs? Different sizes. And some more in the back. There you go. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Can't wait to put this in my car. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you guys soon.